Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to set up automatic chat backup on WhatsApp. To do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp. After that, click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go to chats. And after that, click on chat backup. And as you can see, there is an option called auto backup. You have to click on it and choose if you want the backup to be daily, weekly, monthly, or if you want to turn it off and you want only to make manual backup. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.